So here we have another proportion and we need to solve for n. N is the unknown. A proportion is ratio on the left equal to ratio on the right. And one way of solving this would be to cross multiply first. So 49 times 18 is equal to 14 times n. Do not multiply the two numbers on this side, just leave them alone. Because what you need to do first is solve for n. We divide both sides by 14 in order to solve for n. So the 14 gets cancelled and we get n by itself. So 49 times 18 over 14 is n. So we've solved for n. All we need to do is simplify. There's a factor 7 in here and a 7 in here. So we write it as 7 times 7 times, there's also a 2 in here and a 2 in here. So let's break this down into 2 times 9 divided by 2 times 7 equals n. Now cancel common factors and we get n equals 7 times 9, which is 63. So remember not to multiply the numbers. Just keep them in the simplest form, in the factorized form, until you cancel all the common factors. And only at the end, you're going to multiply the numbers. Now let's check if the answer is correct by plugging the number back into the equation. So we're plugging it back in here. So we substitute n equals 63 and then we have 14 over 18. We could cross multiply. So 49 times 18 is equal to 14 times 63. This is one way of doing it. Or you could simplify both sides completely. Eight times 9 is 72. 8 fours are 32, 39. It's 482 on the left. 14 multiplied with 63. 4 threes are 12. 3 ones are 3, 4. 6 fours are 24. 6 ones are 6, 7, 8. $882. Let's go back and check if there's an error here. Notice that what I have is a 4 that really should have been an 8, because 4 plus 3 is 7 and then the 1 is carried, so it's 882, not a 482. So both sides are equal to 882, which means n equals 63 is a solution to the given proportion.